Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to switch between kilometers and miles for your display. So first you'll start the vehicle, and then wait for everything to load. And we're going to be using these up and downs, okay, and this to access your menu. So from here, the trip 1, I'm going over, and we're going to scroll down to settings and hit OK. Then we'll scroll down until we get to display and hit OK again. And then go scroll down to units, hit OK. And then distance, OK again. And right now it's in miles, so this will change it to kilometers, which you can see already updated in real time. And I'm going to switch it back to miles because I'm in the United States. But anyways, that's it. I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a great day.